Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So pretty much closing out the year, and in 2021 looking forward to start filming in black and white and in color, B-roll and some props as well. All the way through 2023 I'll start contacting talent and getting the bloody, gory and mechanical special effects set up for them, applied to them, and start filming them. I couldn't look for a better team here in the Philippines, and the talent that's going to be used, lots of great looking tattoos, dreadlocks, piercings and colored hair involved in this film with all the actors, and we're all really looking forward to it and very excited about my first experimental horror film leading into future experimental horror films with Morbid Team Entertainment. They're excited about it as well, and it's really going to be an amazing film. It's going to upset a lot of people, that's for sure, but those of us who understand it, it's going to make a lot of people happy and pleased at the same time that the subject matter we're using is being finally expressed. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Barter Buy Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.